Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the Android startup boot animation and replace it with your own Mercedes boot animation on your Android 10.25 screen. You will need this program, Lucky Boot Animator, or something very similar. You will need a mini clip of the Mercedes logo that's actually moving, like a little movie from the internet, and a formatted FAT32 micro SD card. Once you've got that, you want to set your resolution. Mine is 1280 by 480 at 30 frames per second. Create a preview video and open folder when done. Brilliant. Open the file that you wish to convert. Mine is that one. Open. You'll see it go in and you'll see the preview. There it is. And that is exactly what will be on your screen, or whatever you choose. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. And once that's done, all you have to do is go to this button here, press yes, give it about 10 seconds because it's actually creating the boot animation. And once it's done, the folder will open up, and there it is, brilliant. You select this boot animation folder, that is zipped. Drag it to your desktop, fantastic. Close that down, minimize that. Go to your micro SD card, that's being formatted at FAT32. Drag the whole zip file into the micro SD card. And that's it, fantastic. Eject. Brilliant. Now you take that micro SD card to your car, put it into your Android unit, and in my second video I'll show you what you got to do. Bye bye.